Next, where cloning is used, as I already said, in drug development and in making of transgenic crops and animals. So animal cloning, it has helped us to rapidly incorporate improvement into livestock herds. So cloning, it allows livestock breeders to create an exact genetic copy of an existing animal. So it is used to produce healthier offspring. Okay. Now there is an example of transgenic animal where we have cloned the animal shape, and the transgenic animal that we got was named as Dolly. Okay, you must have heard this. So what they did, one of the technique used in animal cloning is somatic cell nuclear transfer. So this technique they used to develop the transgenic animal, and the principle was cloning. So what it does? It involves transfer of nucleus of somatic cells taken from an adult female and transferred it to an egg cell from which the nucleus has been removed. So students, somatic cells, we have taken the somatic cells here. What are somatic cells? So any cell of a living organism other than the reproductive cells, that is other than the egg and the sperm cell, those cells are called somatic cells. Except egg and sperm cell, whatever cell is there in a living organism, it is called somatic cells. So we have taken that cell and we have transferred the nucleus of that somatic cells, and we have taken another egg cell. From that egg cell we have removed its nucleus and we have transferred the nucleus of the somatic cell into that egg cell. Now the resulting cell, it behaves like a freshly fertilized zygote which developed into an embryo. This will be more clear with the diagram. Now this is our somatic cell with the desired gene. So this is our somatic cell. Okay. Now we have taken out the nucleus from the somatic cell. This is the nucleus from the somatic cell. This is another cell. This is the egg cell. From egg cell also we have taken out the nucleus. We have removed the nucleus from the egg cell. We don't want this nucleus. Now this cell is called enucleated cell because it does not contain any nucleus. In the next step, we have put this nucleus in this enucleated egg cell. The nucleus from the somatic cell, we have put it in this egg cell. Now this cell will grow and it will form a clone and then an embryo. It will develop into an embryo. This is what somatic cell nuclear transfer. So basically this is our clone cells. This is the zygote which will develop into an embryo.